What is machine learning? Simple explanation for beginners. Hey there! You've probably heard the term machine learning tossed around a lot. But what does it really mean? In this video, I'll explain machine learning simply, clearly, and in just 5 minutes. No tech degree required. What is machine learning? Machine learning, or ML for short, is a subset of artificial intelligence, which means it's just one part of the big AI world. While artificial intelligence is about making machines act smart, machine learning is about helping machines learn from data on their own. So instead of programming every rule or decision step by step, we feed the machine data, and it finds patterns, makes predictions, or takes actions, just like a human learning from experience.
Real-life examples. You see machine learning in action all the time. Netflix recommending what to watch next. Google Maps predicting traffic. Email filtering out spam. ChatGPT generating smart responses. Face recognition unlocking your phone. In all these cases, the system wasn't told exactly what to do. It learned from lots of past data to figure it out.
How does it work? So, how does machine learning actually work? It usually follows 3 simple steps. 1. Collect data, tons of it, like images, numbers, text, or clicks. 2. Train a model. This is like teaching the machine using examples. 3. Make predictions. Once trained, the machine can guess or decide things based on what it learned. Think of it like this. Imagine teaching a kid what a dog looks like. You show them dozens of pictures. They start to notice patterns. Fur, tail, for legs. Eventually, they can recognize a dog even if it's a new one. Machine learning works the same way, just with way more data and zero barking.
Types of machine learning. There are 3 main types of machine learning. Supervised learning. The machine learns from labeled data. Like, this is a cat. That's a dog. Unsupervised learning, no labels. The machine finds hidden patterns on its own. Reinforcement learning. The machine learns by trial and error, like learning to play a video game. Each type is used for different tasks, from predicting house prices to beating world champions at chess.
To wrap up. So there you have it. Machine learning is a part of AI focused on learning from data, not hard-coded instructions. It powers much of the smart technology we use today, and it's only getting smarter. Hit the like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more simplified tech breakdowns every week.